Hello, my name is Ernie Serson. I'm the president of SimplySolve, and I'm here to take you on a general tour of our lifecycle asset management program called LiAM. LiAM is a powerful Microsoft Access database that gives you the same power, features, and functions of enterprise-level tracking systems at a fraction of the cost. It is simple to download, install, and use, and with our full array of video training modules, you'll be up and running in no time. So let's begin. On our homepage, you get information about our application as well as two key links back to our website. One is to our video resource library, where you can get in-depth training modules on each one of our tabs. The other is a link back to our support page. We also provide a dashboard that gives you at-a-glance metrics of your asset population. On our Asset tab, you get to edit and view your assets, as well as look at an asset list that gives you all of the assets that you're tracking. You can take advantage of Microsoft's native filtering to find whatever you want in your list. Once you find it, double-click it. That information is passed back to the edit form where you can make your changes. Once your changes are made, you can view the history that gives you all of the audit trail transactions for that asset. You can also attach documents to LiAM and view them. And you can make notes. Each time you make a note, a separate line is stamped in our history table with a date time stamp and who created the note. You can also add additional fields as well. So if you need to customize LiAM to track your specific fields, you can do that, as well as add events. So if you wanted to add another warranty event, you could do that. If you wanted to add a maintenance event, you do that as well. The quick page allows you to limit access to your data by people who only need to change key elements of your assets. So for example, if you have someone that's just responsible for logging assets into and out of a location, you may only give them access to the quick page. Here they can find the assets they're looking for and update the status and location. You can do the same thing for material, where they can go ahead and find the material assets and then add or remove material. Or if they're part of the RMA process, they can pull up their RMA identifiers and then enter key fields for the RMA. Our update page allows you to scan in multiple assets and then go ahead and make the changes one time to those assets. So you can change key parameters to that asset across a number of scanned assets. You can also make attachments and notes applicable to each item that's been changed. Our upload module is powerful. It allows you to use our upload template to take any spreadsheet information from your vendors, suppliers, or customers, format it in our template, and then go ahead and copy it directly into the LiAM system where it can be bulk uploaded. Our audit module allows you to keep your virtual database tracking system in sync with your physical inventory. Here you have the ability to create audits, conduct the audits, whether they're record to floor audits or they're floor to record audits, and then save the results for processing at a later time. Our transfer allows you to create shipments, receipts, and interdepartment transfers. Here you can create and manage transfers, all the information applicable to the transfer, as well as waybill numbers and tracking numbers, and attachments and notes. And then once you have the structure of the transfer created, you can pop the asset list open and begin scanning all of the different types of assets that are going to be part of that shipment or receipt. You also have the ability to store it in crates and boxes, and when you're finished, you can view the reports, print them out, or you can export them to Excel. The library allows you to add additional information to key parts of your database. For example, when you create asset records, you're only going to be creating the manufacturer, part, and description. In the library, you're able to add additional information, up to 30 customized fields of information for each one of your assets. You can also add attachments like pictures and user guides as well. The configuration module allows you to customize LiAM. So we talked about the additional event giving you as the user the ability to create 30 fully customized fields, as well as reformat them, or enable them, require them, or source them one field after another. The report allows you to run key reports based on your data. You can select parameters and then run various reports. Your administration panel allows you to manage your users. So here's where you can add users and then give them permissions to view different parts of the LiAM database. You also have the ability to partition your data by program. Here's where you may have 4 or 5 different programs and a number of different users per program, where you don't want those users to see all the assets in LiAM, but only assets pertinent to that program. Finally, we have a parameter page that allows you to manage some of the back-end processes of the database. And we bring all of the history transactions out to you as well as all of your audits, your attachments, and then your back-end data is all captured in one place. So if you're ever going to upgrade to another asset tracking system in the future, you've got all the key elements that you need for a simple migration. So that's the LiAM application. We invite you to visit our website at simplysolve.com or trackitwithliam.com. And here you can go ahead and request a free trial. That's a 30-day free trial that allows you to try the application out. And then when you're ready to move forward, you can come back to our store, select one of our license levels, and go ahead and get started. That concludes our general tour. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact us. You can reach us at 833-TRY-LiAM, or you can visit our contact support page and go ahead and send us your requirements. It was a pleasure meeting with you today. We look forward to working with you and helping you to take your asset tracking systems to their next level.